To find the missing measure and the missing value of the given triangles, so what we're going to do is, first we need to get the corresponding parts. Okay, so based on the given triangle, we have triangle OMG is congruent to triangle PNG. So step number 1, find the corresponding parts. So but before that, let us analyze. So based on the given, para kanino po anak yung given na measurement? Kay angle or kay side? Okay, so ano ang hint natin? Kapag kay angle, meron tayong makikitang degree. Very good. The unit of angle is degree. Kapag may ganito yung measurement, therefore, para siya kay angle. At the same time, nasa corner siya. So meaning, since ang given na measurement ay para kay angle, ang kukunin lang po natin ay si corresponding angle. Okay, based on the given triangle, give me one pair of corresponding angle. Anyone? Villanueva? Okay, so the next congruent angle, Tambawan. And the last one is Silva. Okay, angle G. So after getting the corresponding angles, so our next step is find the missing part or the missing measure or the missing value. So let us analyze the given. So again, the first congruent part is angle O is congruent to angle B. So to find the value of B, or to find the value of C, so what we're going to do is we need to form an equation. Or how to form an equation? By using the corresponding parts. Okay, again, angle O is congruent to angle P. And what is the measure of angle O? 59 degree. So, congruent is also the same as equal para magkaroon tayo ng equation. Now, what is the measure of angle P? So, this will become C minus 1. Ito yung ilalagay natin dito. So, therefore, this is our equation now. So, what we're going to do is, we need to find the value of C. Ito po yung mga missing. Value of A, B, and C. And the exact measure of angle M, angle G, and angle P. Okay, proceed tayo dito. So, what we're going to do, how to find the exact value of letter C. Okay, combine the like terms. Very good. What are the like terms? 59 and negative 1. Okay, ano ang mas mababa ang value? 59 or negative 1? So, therefore, we're going to move or transpose negative 1 going to the left. What will be the sign of negative? This will become positive. Is equal to bring down letter C. Then solve. 59 plus 1. Okay, therefore, the value of C is 60. 1 point. Okay, next, after that, so since the value of letter C is 60, so makukuha na po ba natin anak yung measure ng angle P? Kasi missing din siya. What is the measure of angle P? 59. Very good. Because the measure of angle O is also, okay, 59. Therefore, angle P is 59 degree. O, another 1 point. Okay, now, let us proceed by the second congruent angle. Angle M is congruent to angle N. O, dito, missing ulit si second angle N. So, the first angle N, what is the measure? 49. Meaning, angle N is also, okay, meaning without solving, masasolve natin. Angle N measures 49 degree. But, we're going to solve for the value of A. Okay, what we're going to do, same procedure. Step number 1, form an equation. Okay, what is the measure of angle N? 49 degree. So, 49 degree. So, congruent, papalitan na equal. And what is the measure of the second angle? 5A plus 4 degree. And then solve. How to solve again? By combining the like terms. So, what are the like terms? 49 and 4. We're going to move what number? 4. Going to the left. What will be the sign of positive 4? This will become negative. This is equal to 5A. Then solve. 49 minus 4, 45. Is equal to, how to eliminate? Divide both sides by 5. Cancel, what is the value of A? Okay, none. So, another 1 point. Okay, ma'am, how to check if my answer is correct? So, just substitute A. Dito, palitan si A ng anong number? 9. O, check natin, kailangan 49 anak ang makuha mo. 5 times 9. 45 plus 4. O, they are equal, meaning the value of A is correct. Okay, next. So, again, what is the measure of angle N? The measure of angle N is 49 degree. This is what? O, 59 degree. And angle G, what is the measure? 72 degree. So therefore, the second angle G is also 72 degree. So another 1 point. Okay, and the last one is, ano na lang po yung letter na hindi natin nakukuha? Letter, meron na tayong A, meron na tayong C. Letter B na lang po. At si letter B ay na kay angle G. So therefore, we're going to use this. Angle G is also congruent to angle G. Again, what is the measure of the first angle G? 72 degree. Is equal to, so what is angle G? The second angle G? 7B minus 5. Okay, again, same procedure. Combine the like terms. What are the like terms? 72 and negative 5. Move negative 5 going to the left. What will be the sign? Positive. Is equal to 7B. Then simplify. 72 plus 5, 77 is equal to, okay, how to eliminate? Okay, to eliminate the numerical coefficient of B, just divide both sides by 7. And what is the value of B? Very good, 11.